everyone out there, this is the Prodigy, and I'm coming to you with a quick video today on email processing and how we're able to put this company on autopilot for you, and the way you're going to be able to get results in 24 hours or less. What EPS 3.0 advanced traffic software will do for you. It's going to automate the leads for you. This software will drive an unlimited amount of pay-per-click traffic. You never pay a dime for traffic again. It will automate commissions for you. Now, if you're a serious marketer and if you failed online or even if you succeeded online before, you know that everything that this software will do for you is going to take all that hard work out. As I said, it's going to drive that unlimited amount of pay-per-click traffic. And you're never going to pay a dime for traffic again. What the software actually does is we partner with Yahoo, Google, Bing, and all those top companies out there that charge you anywhere from $2 to $5 to $10 a click. We partner with them for the next 10 years to drive that same type of traffic to any company that you're promoting within the software. Now, this software is super powerful. It's going to be driving on an unlimited amount of traffic, which is going to equal at least $500 a day guaranteed, no matter the company you're promoting. Now, I don't know about a lot of you out there, but that sounds like exactly what I needed 5 years ago. This software actually took us about 2 years to create, and we put about $150,000 into this software to be able to make it work and convert as we wanted it to. Now, this software here is powerful, guys. This is exactly what you're going to need as a newbie to start to see some results right away. What we do for you as a team, we offer phone support and live chat support for immediate help. A lot of companies out there, they seem to only have email support, which is crazy because nowadays you want to be able to get a hold of your sponsor right away to get that help, to get those questions answered. We're going to give you one-on-one training where we screen share and walk you through the whole process. Now, if you're a newbie and you barely know how to work a computer, we're going to be able to screen share with you, walk you through the steps, basically control your mouse and show you what to do. We close all sales for you while we are teaching you to be a leader. Now, this is something that everyone loves and something you're going to want as soon as you become a member. Why? Because while our automated traffic software is driving that traffic, if you're a newbie, you ain't going to know how to explain to these leads coming in when they try to contact you exactly what they're going to be getting, exactly how they're going to succeed, exactly how things are going to convert on their end. So what we do is we close all those sales for you while we're teaching you to be a leader. Now, when those leads are coming in from the software or from whatever type of marketing we're going to be showing you, when those leads are coming in, we're going to make sure they close. We're going to make sure we're there to answer questions. We're going to make sure that we're there to get those commissions for you while we're teaching you to be able to close sales in the future. Now, we basically hold your hand until you succeed. We're going to be there by your side. Just keep in mind, I'm a 7-figure earner. I've been marketing over 10 years. I know what I'm doing when it comes to succeeding, and that's exactly why you've contacted me. Now, guys, here goes my information. Contact me today for more info. I have live chat on my website at godslifequotes.com. You can call or text me at 239-362-6591. That's actually a challenge. I want you to text me right now or call me, and I'm going to be there to answer the phone to be able to answer all those questions that you need to be answered before you continue. Now, if you see my last video, I actually posted some proof of the income because I got a lot of people asking me, are you still making as much money as you did in the past? Well, with email processing 3.0, we're making even more money. We're changing lives. We're changing people's lives financially. We're changing people's lives, getting them out of heartaches and pains and stressful situations. You're probably watching this video now and you can't afford your light bill, your rent. You can't even afford to get your kids new clothes for school. I want to make sure that you guys are stress-free. I want to make sure you're seeing that income to get you out of those stressful situations. Give me a call today. Shoot me a text. Come on my website at live chat and let me help you change your lives. Guys, may God be with you. May God be in your hearts. May you succeed like never before, even without my help. If you decide you don't want to move forward with me, that is fine. I'm here to help you. I'm here to make sure that you're successful. Everyone out there, God bless you. I'll talk to you in my next video. Everyone out there, this is the Prodigy, and today is May 22nd, and the time is, let me double check that for you guys. Got my phone. Oh, there it is. The time is 2:07 p.m. And guys, I'm not going to take up much of your time today because I know everyone out there is busy. Either you're working that crazy 9 to 5 making $8 to $10 an hour, which I'm trying to get you out of, or you're sitting at home unemployed looking for ways to make money, stressing about bills, stressing about rent, stressing about losing what you already have, stressing about trying to grip onto life. Well, guys, stay with me and pay attention to what I'm about to tell you, and I'm going to help you get out of those situations. So what I'm going to do right now, I'm just going to go ahead and log on to my PayPal, and I'm going to show you guys exactly what I've made today. Alright, so guys, here we go. What I've actually made today could blow some of your minds. Some of you guys already out there that's been following me for years, you already know these are the type of results I've been getting, for 5 to 10 years I've been seeing these type of results, posting them on YouTube. Here we go. So, payment today, $240. $247. We're gonna round that off. That's gonna be $500 already today. 5, 6, 7, 750, 7, 8, 9, $1,200 today so far, and it's only 2 p.m. Guys, if you're watching this video, and of course there's zero in my account because you see the withdrawal here, but anyhow, guys, if you're watching this video and you're looking to get these same type of results, $240, $247, then why, guys, why are you still wondering, why are you still sitting there? Why are you still stressing? Why are you not trying to move forward? I tell everybody, you have to invest in yourself. A lot of people say, hey, I don't want to throw away my money. I'm scared to give this person my money. I'm scared to put my money in this program. But you're not investing in them. You're investing in yourself. And if you don't invest in yourself, you're going to continue to work that 9 to 5. You're going to continue to live off that unemployment check. You're going to continue to live off that disability check. You're going to continue to live off welfare. Why? Because you're not investing in yourself. Now, I get a lot of phone calls of people playing around saying, hey, I'm scared. I'm not going to invest. I just have a few questions, blah, 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 this and that. Do not call me if you are not serious. I'm a marketer that puts my phone number out there because I want to help people succeed. I want to be able to make sure you know what you're doing. I don't want a whole bunch of crazy people calling me, not willing to move forward, not willing to invest in themselves. Now, God has given me a gift to be able to help people succeed. God has blessed me. God gave me this gift a long time ago, and I've helped thousands of people succeed in the online marketing industry. What I give you and what I show you will definitely give you results. With my advanced level, I'm not playing any games here, guys. With my advanced level, it should be well over $10,000. I'm charging right now a $250 fee. If you contact me and say you came from YouTube, I'm taking $50 off. So that's $200. And look, guys, this is the original price, $350. This person did not ask about a discount or did not need a discount, and that's $350 that they paid the other day when the price went back up. The price is now back at $250 this week, but if you want another $50 off, you have to mention YouTube when you call me. My phone number is 239-362-6591. Now, like I said, there's a lot of you stressing out there. Ask God, pray, put your, bow your head now and pray with me. God, I ask you to please bless us. God, I ask you to please help us move forward. God, I ask you to please show me the light. Please guide me. Please take the will and release this stress. Cast away all demons. Cast away all evil. Break the chains from the devils holding my financials back and cast the angels around me. Amen. Guys, with God's help, you will not fail, because without God, there is nothing. There is not a day. There is not life. There is no success. There is nothing. So you must ask God. You must. A lot of people ask me, how did you figure out how to succeed online? When I've been marketing for 10 years and never made $1. I look at them and say, my number one tool in life is God. It's prayer. I open that Bible and God blesses me. I share his words and God blesses me. He shows me what to do. He's guided me to these tools, to this knowledge that I got. He shows me exactly where to go. God guides me to where I'm at today. God makes sure that I have what I need and that I need what I have. God is not going to let you go on without having what you need. Every day is a test from the man above. You ask and you shall receive. No matter what, guys, you can be sitting there, stressed out of your mind, and you're going to continue to be stressed if you don't ask God for help. You must be patient with the man above because he's testing you and making sure that you do not lose faith. Well, everyone out there, I've showed you my proof. There's nothing else I can do for you to convince you. It's your chance. It's your choice to invest in yourself. I'll be waiting for your phone call. My number is 239-362-6591. And for you out there that is phone shy, go ahead and shoot me a text. The website for more information is godslifequotes.com. Also in the link in the description below. Go ahead and like, subscribe to this channel, and hit the little bell notification button for future updates of any kind of discounts I'm having or for any type of free training that I'm giving out. Everyone out there, may God be in your hearts, and I will talk to you in my next video. Before I do that, let me go ahead and log out to show you guys I'm the real deal Holyfield. There you go, guys. Everyone out there, you have a blessed day, and I will talk to you in my next video, or I will talk to you if you give me a call. Bye-bye for now.